In this video, we will see how we can troubleshoot a scenario where a petrol agent or a bunch of petrol agents keeps disconnecting and reconnecting to TrueSight Infrastructure Management Integration Service. We will see how to resolve this issue by checking logs, system resources, and other configurations at petrol agent and integration service machine. On this machine, we can see petrol agent is installed, and in the logs we can see it is connected to the integration service machine. In some use cases, it can happen that petrol agent may be getting impacted by a CPU spike, which results in disconnection from the integration service. Later resolves by itself and gets reconnected to the integration service. You can open the task manager on petrol agent machine to identify if any process is utilizing high resources, or also can enable process monitoring to identify it. If petrol agent is running on a Linux machine, top command can be used to identify the process that's utilizing high resources. I have now logged into TrueSight Infrastructure Management Server. Whenever petrol agent gets disconnected from integration service, agent control process in the TSIM server generates a self-monitoring event. It will be sent to the agent controller cell. By default, it will be the TSIM cell. If CPU spike on petrol agent machine is considered normal, then we can tune the related MRL in TSIM cell to delay the criticality of the generated self-monitoring event. As configured in pronet.conf file, petrol agent disconnection self-monitoring event is generated with OK severity. Inside the TSIM cell, in this MRL, by default, a timer of 300 seconds or 5 minutes is set for this self-monitoring event to wait before its severity is increased to critical. Based on the observation, you can increase this timer to delay the criticality of petrol agent disconnected self-monitoring event. Once petrol agent reconnects to integration service, this self-monitoring event will be closed. In use cases where issue is observed on bunch of petrol agents, it might indicate that the integration service is overloaded, or can be network problems between the petrol agents and the integration service. I am now logged into the integration service machine. For integration service overloaded scenario, you can check the max heap value set for it in pn-agent-conf file. Against the amount of memory used by it. Using load balancer between petrol agents and integration service can cause similar issue. As a test, connect few petrol agents directly to integration service rather than through the load balancer to verify the connectivity between them. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.